Lahat po ng disemisyos walang takbo ng gawain is dead. Totally dead. Madaling intindihin ito if you will ask question, why? Why? We are in the new move of God. God is moving. At sasabay tayo sa ginagawa na yun. At hindi siya pwedeng gumawa kagaya ng nakalipas niyang ginawa na kinamulatan at kinalakihan ng mga lingkod ng Diyos worldwide at ng church. Because God is not the God of the past. He's not only the God of now, but He's the God of the future.
Ito ang kailangan ng church, hindi gathering, hindi meeting, an encounter with God. Nagsimula na ang Holy Spirit na mag-create ng bagong bagay sa puso nyo, ng hunger for perfection, for true biblical authenticating Christianity is to be like Jesus. If it is not, then it is a counterfeit. At ang lahat ng counterfeit teaching sa dyan sa buong mundo ay tapos na.